Hi there, want to grow your business with email marketing? Today, we'll guide you through 7 powerful steps to create emails that engage, convert, and build lasting relationships. Let's get started. Email marketing is a direct and personal way to connect with your audience. With Effeact's strategies, you can boost engagement, build trust, and increase sales, right from their inbox. Step 1. Build a quality email list. Start with people who genuinely want to hear from you. Use sign-up forms on your website, social media, or even in-store to grow your list with permission-based subscribers. Step 2. Grab attention with irresistible subject lines. Keep them short, clear, and curiosity-driven, like "Your exclusive offer awaits," or "5 tips to save time today." Step 3. Personalize your emails. Use names, preferences, and past behavior to deliver content that feels tailor-made for each subscriber. Remember, personalized emails get 20% higher engagement rates. Step 4. Make sure your emails look great on mobile. Over half of all emails are opened on smartphones, so use responsive designs, easy-to-read fonts, and clear calls to action. Step 5. Every email needs a purpose. Use clear, actionable CTAs like "Shop now," "Read more," or "Get your free guide" to guide subscribers toward the next step. Step 6. Measure your success. Track open rates, clicks, and conversions to see what works and what doesn't. Use this data to refine your strategy and improve over time. Step 7. Save time with automation. Set up workflows for welcome emails, abandoned carts, or post-purchase follow-ups to keep your audience engaged without constant manual effort. Email marketing isn't just about sending messages, it's about building relationships. With these steps, you'll create campaigns that engage, convert, and grow your business. And remember, Effeect is here to help you every step of the way. Ready to master email marketing? Contact Effeect today for expert strategies and personalized campaigns. Let's transform your emails into your best marketing tool.